Research and thought leadership on organizational resilience has developed over the last 40 years in several different fields. Researchers have identified five distinct phases with five contrasting perspectives. Let us see quickly those five phases and contrasting perspectives with reference to the developing ANSPs and their key workforce, that is ADSEP. Later, we will discuss each phases and perspective into detail and their interconnectivities among different levels of maturity and among ADSEP as field engineers and as managers. Ultimately, our aim is to find the gaps that must be filled in each level of maturity and ensure the resilience through ADSEP. First level of organizational resilience maturity is preventative control. It's a defensive perspective that focused on loss avoidance and value preservation. ANSP focuses mainly on continued operation and regulatory compliance at this level of maturity. Ensuring mechanism is through monitoring and complying. Consistency is achieved through system, procedure and ADSEP at field level. The ANSP resilience at this level is to handle known problem with proven technique. Next level of organizational resilience maturity is mindful action. Again, it's a defensive perspective focused on loss avoidance and value preservation. Ensuring mechanism is through noticing and responding. Here, the flexibility in noticing and responding to unknown problems is achieved mainly through ADSEP in the field level. These two levels of maturities were about learning to bounce back to normal or dynamically stable result even after crisis. But this won't be sufficient for any ANSPs to grow and prosper in the future. So they shall also need to develop capabilities to bounce forward. Let us see two further phases and perspectives on how this bounce forward could be achieved. The next level of maturity is performance optimization. It's a progressive perspective that focused on continuous improvement. Having maturity to ensure the continued operation, ANSPs focuses on improving the process through which they achieve the goals. Ensuring mechanism at this phase is through improving and exploiting. Progressive consistency is achieved through leadership qualities of ADSEP at the manager's level through field level ADSEP. ANSP resilience at this level is to handle changes in the stakeholders' demand due to globalization. Fourth level of progressive maturity is adaptive innovation. It's again progressive perspective focused on creating, inventing and exploring unknown. Ensuring mechanism at this phase is through imagining and creating. This progressive flexibility is achieved through leadership qualities of ADSEP at senior manager levels through manager and field level ADSEP. The ANSP resilience is to adapt to and to adjust best to the fast changing aviation environment. Finally, senior manager level ADSEP need to manage the tensions between these four approaches if ANSPs are to be truly resilient. Fifth level of organizational resilience maturity is paradoxical thinking of senior manager level ATSEP. This will depend on the nature of organization, its operations, particularly level of uncertainty and rate of technological, regulatory and stakeholders demand. Aviation industries with high potential for accidents, most of the developing ANSPs are often weighted toward the preventative control only. This preoccupation with one particular dimension, that is preventative control, could lead to blind spots on higher levels of maturity, which actually brings down the resilience of the ANSPs. So, our webinar is aimed at helping the participants in identifying the gaps on each level of maturity and explore the means of filling those gaps so that ATSEP from developing ANSPs can bring more resilience to their ANSPs.